Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I haven't uploaded in a while because I've been busy with stuff. So I'm going to show you my fidget toy collection. Well, if I can. So let's see. I'll do my puppets first. So I've got this Among Us one. Pretty cool. Just generic fidget toy. And I've got these two small puppets as well. So the Among Us is the smaller. And I just have to get the bag. A simple dimple. Quite easy. They're kind of fun. Oh, yeah. And I've got these two things. I'm not sure what they're called, so who cares? I've got a Rubik's cube, well, kind of a Christmas Rubik's cube, because I got it when we were at my nan's house one time. So yeah, let's see. I've got this one. I also have a blue one of that. I've got like these things. To be honest, I'm not sure what they're called. Honestly, so yeah. I have these. I also have gold versions of them, so yeah. I've got a Pea Popper. Well, I have two Pea Poppers, so yeah. Oh god. Why can't I? And I have a marble mask. I've got quite a few of them. Let me see. I only have 3 actually. And I have this, and I have this stress ball. I have this infinity cube. It's broken like twice in 2 days, though it's fixed now, so that's good. And finally, my favourite, like I'm not sure what these things are called. Sorry, I'm sorry if you could hear my mum and dad. They were just talking. I just want this recording only to be me, and I don't, because like you don't want your voice to do you. Okay. Well, this is my favourite fidget toy. You kind of do like random things. It kind of looks like a gaming controller. No joke. Oh god. And finally, I just got to move my iPad backwards a little bit. Oh god. And this ginormous poppet. It has 256 pops on each side. So in total, it has 512. Yep. And there's no others apart from my fidget spinners, which we don't talk about them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And just a thing at the end, I just gotta quickly unplug my iPad. Where's my? If you can see correctly. Sorry, it's just a bit hard to look. Okay, well, I can't. I wanted to show my dog, though I couldn't. So I guess that's the end of the video. Hope you like it. And yeah. See you guys soon, I guess. Well, next time I upload a video. Bye.